My life has never, ever looked like this. It's never looked like that until now. Today I want to share with you some easy and actionable ways that you can be more productive when you're feeling unmotivated. I've been there, I've done that, I got the secrets. I'm really curious, comment below what in your life is a hot mess. You know you need help.
Okay.
And it's not to poke fun of you or make fun of you at all. It's just so that you can see you are not alone, okay? You ain't alone, hun. Heck, this was my life before all of this. So these are the habits to start, like today. The first thing that I strongly encourage you to do is to find an end time for your day. For me, it's 5 p.m. It is a game changer. I end work at 5 p.m. I'm more inspired the next day, more productive, less bitter about life because I don't want to be working every day of my life. Okay, I just don't. I'm doing something for myself. I'm taking time off. I'm relaxing my brain. I'm putting the emails away, and that's the way it is. And that's on being selfish, ladies and gentlemen. Self-care, that's what it is. But we're done. We're absolutely done. This has been the best thing that me, Dennis, and Jupiter could have done for ourselves. So if you work from home, you know how difficult it is to shut off, but it is the best thing you could do for yourself. A scattered space creates a scattered mind. I have never felt that more than when I moved back from LA and I had all of these boxes in my living room. It's gotta go, okay? If you're like me, you're lazy, you neglect, things can get crazy. So what I recommend is you block off time in your calendar. What I did is I literally blocked off an entire day. It turned into 2 days. I organized my skincare stuff. I actually organized my closet professionally. I'm so excited to share that video with you guys. Now, of course, this isn't something that everybody could do. I'm here to spill the secrets, okay? So stay tuned for that video. It's full on tips, organization, how to fold stuff, Marie Kondo it up. Quarantine came hard at me. I ate all the starches. I was friends with all the carbs. My tummy was happy, but my arteries were not, okay? I gained a lot of weight, and I'm the kind of person you will not see me at the gym. I ain't gonna be doing it, okay? So I found a hobby that I actually love, which is rock climbing, and I encourage you to also find a hobby that you love that has movement involved, salsa, whatever it is, virtual Zumba classes, whatever's your jam, you know? I started biking, I started doing hydro, I just started moving my body, and look at this. Look at this. Okay. Da 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 da. Oh yeah. I feel good. So I've created a habit after work. I get into my workout clothes, I have my little pre-workout, and I jump on that Peloton. You know what I'm saying? I personally really love routine. It creates freedom in my life to do what I have to do and do what I want to do, which is eat. So it's good. Invest in your health, which means prioritize your health. Book those dentist appointments. Get that pap smear, girl. Check your breasts out. Do your checkups. For me, I just put this in the calendar, but let me tell you a really sad story. I didn't go to the dentist for the first 4 years that I was doing YouTube. But let me just tell you, when I went back, I had so many cavities.
Careful not to hurt yourself when you're talking.
Just got back from the dentist. Yay, look at the mouth. We did well. We did well. The lesson was to prioritize your health because you matter. You're a priority, and eventually your health will catch up. Okay. Create rituals in your life. Now, this is something that's meant to make your life exciting, that you look forward to. So for me, every Monday, The Bachelor. That's what's up. Okay, I like trashy TV, people. What can I do? It is what it is. Okay. I also look forward to my morning routine every single morning. I look forward to my afternoon routine every single afternoon. It's a way that I feel motivated throughout my day, and I highly encourage you to have those routines. They're so important. Again, structure and routine creates freedom to let you do the things you really want to do. Cut down and reduce tasks that take up your time. For me, it was thinking about my meals. Okay. I'm an emotional eater. When I'm hungry, I eat. When I'm sad, I eat. When I'm happy, it's a little bit of everything. A lot of feelings up in here. And I recently got a meal service, which is the absolute best. I did switch out. I was doing Factor, which Dennis still does. I highly recommend. But now I'm actually doing Daily Harvest. This is not sponsored. I'm just letting you know. This is how I take care of my breakfast and my lunch. So all I have to worry about is dinner, which is kind of nice. So if you can, get a meal service. It's bravo.
Okay, give us a full look.
Ew! I have my boba slippers on and my snuggle blanket. Because it's cold in Florida. I just got a package and I know who this is from. I just realized it. Sunglasses, girl. I see it. Wow, this is so... Oh, wow. And handwritten calligraphy, girl. Oh, my gosh. Booty bands. She's in Target now. Can you believe it? Girl, I'm so proud of you. This is amazing. Oh, my gosh. Look how pretty feel this. Oh, my gosh. I'm sad. I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm sad we never got to get massages and facials together.
While you were still here.
But I'm glad we did it to take a dance class together. Yeah, we took a dance class together. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Qué lindo.
Wow, what a nice mat.
I know, touch it too. Touch it. I mean, she had the coolest mats.
Whoa.
I love the design and the color. Oh my god, we have some cute
Me and Sam were
stuff.
supposed to get together and play Xbox
Yeah,
or
what
PlayStation
happened,
or whatever.
Sam?
We have separate platforms and we can't play together. So sad.
So hi Sam, from a
Sam.
distance. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It is what it is. Okay, let me know if you want to see a part 2. I have way more tips that have made my life better and more productive. I love you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You don't even drink normal water.
Coochie.